friends, my name is Joss from Schoolville's Reads and welcome back to another Top 5 Wednesday. Top 5 Wednesday was created by Lainey over at Ginger Reads Lainey, and I will leave a link to her channel in the down bar below. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 series that I want to start in 2016. Just as a disclaimer, I will not be talking about any new releases, so all the books that I'm going to be talking about in this video are books that have been previously released. The first series that I want to start in 2016, I feel like everyone has on their top 5 series that they want to start, and it is the Mistborn series by Brandon Sanderson. One of the reasons why I haven't started it is because I don't like mass market paperbacks. I think they're just like too small. They're usually made with that paper that kind of smells a little funny. I'm looking for this beautiful edition that I think is a UK edition. Also, I have a really hard time with world building, even though I love fantasy, as I've mentioned in previous videos, and I think this book is a little more intense than others. It is just really scary for me, but I do really want to try it because everyone talks about it. My boyfriend wants to read it too, so maybe we'll do that together. The next series that I want to read is the Grisha trilogy by Leigh Bardugo. Me and Leigh Bardugo don't have the greatest track record. I think in the very first TBR that I made, I put Six of Crows on it. I started listening to the audiobook and I was really struggling, so I just stopped and I was like, no more, I can't do it. Now I haven't read any Leigh Bardugo and I feel really terrible about it. And I also want to read a graphic novel series called Lock and Key by Joe Hill. Lock and Key is a psychological horror story. It's really dark and gritty. It also has some supernatural elements to it as well. It's about Key House, which is a mansion in New England, and all these like weird, crazy things happen in it. So I'm really super stoked to get into that. The fourth series that I want to start is Penryn and the End of Days by Susan E. It is about a heroine named Penryn. She lives in a post-apocalyptic world where angels have taken over everything. It is a YA series. There are 3 books in it and they have all been released. And the last series that I want to start is called the Madman's Daughter series by Megan Shepherd. It's about a girl named Juliet. She's 16, she lives in London and works as a maid. Her father was previously involved in a scandal, and in this book she learns that he is alive, and actually alive on a tropical island. I don't know much more about it past that, but it is kind of a gothic novel and it is based on the book The Island of Dr. Moreau by H.G. Wells. If any of you guys want to buddy read any of these series with me, especially Mistborn, I feel like I could definitely use someone to guide me along that journey, please let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!